Hello everyone, welcome to the McSherryStudio, although in fact I'm not in the studio today. I'm recording this in the house. So I just wanted to let you know that I've actually managed to sort of create a better experience of auctioning some of the paintings that I do, the daily paintings, and add it to my website. So what I'm intending to auction off are the daily paintings, studies and demonstrations that I do. Let me put that up there. For example, this one here, which is a study in Provençal style impressionist painting, a la Van Gogh, perhaps. So lots of obvious strokes, obvious brushwork and texture. Some, some of the knife paintings. And you can see they're all sort of beautifully varnished. They're all works, or most of them will be works on the specialist canvas textured oil painting paper that I use. Let me see, another knife painting, this one. As soon as I put the painting up here, I go dark. But anyway, look, that's what this is all about. So what I'm going to do is show you where the auction facility is on the site and kind of how it works. Okay, so for example, if you go to the home page, so this is the home page here. If you just typed in McSherryStudio.com, you'd arrive at this page. And let's see, it looks like this. There's new, kind of latest news about classes. You can join the class newsletter mailing list. And here we go. Look, you come to this auction of daily paintings. Okay, so if you click on that link, that will take you to the auction page. Okay, so which is here. Right, okay, so this is the auction page. You can also come to the site and go straight to Buy Original Art and to McSherry Auctions. If you click that link, this is the page that you'll arrive at. Okay, so the painting, because I'm only auctioning one at a time, the current painting, and this one here is set for April the 1st, that's today, at 6 p.m. So that should be up for auction today. You can put in your bid here. The bid increments are €10. Okay, so, and it's auctioned over 48 hours. Here we got more information here. So if you just clicked on that, you can see a larger version of the painting. Let's get out of that. If you want to get ahead of anyone else, you can just buy the painting direct here. It's up to you to decide whether that price is okay for you. So you set the price. That's it. So if you don't like this one, but you do want to be informed of new paintings, you could just come across to here and be added to the alert for new auctions. So it's a separate mailing list than my classes one, and you'll be added to that. And then every time I get a new painting that I want to auction off, you can be informed and take it from there yourself. I do about 3 of these a week, so I mean I don't intend to really start spamming, but anyway, that's up to you whether you stick with it or not. But the facility is there for you, and it's your chance to become a patron of the arts and support a living artist. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this far, and if you do want alerts, join the newsletter, and hopefully I'll see you on my live stream most Thursdays. Obviously I couldn't do it because it was Easter holidays, and I suddenly got very busy with a couple of projects, but I'll be back to that the following Thursday. So I'll see you then.